Yo, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Zay. So I already kind of took these out the box, but this is the box it came in. As you guys can see, this is the tape, Nike sneakers tape. So I was able to get this pair of Nike SB Dunks from the sneakers app, which this is my first pair of Dunks to actually, well, not my first pair of Dunks, but my first pair of SB Dunks to actually get from the Nike sneakers app. So everything else I caught was either like a Dunk Low or a Jordan 1 or your typical Jordans. So reading the box, it doesn't have the size tag or the retail price, but that doesn't matter. Nike SB Dunk Low OG QS. This is a size 10.5. The SKU numbers is CZ5127001. And the colors is black, and white. So if you guys can guess which dunk it is, let me know in the comments below. I don't think I actually said the name, but if I did, I did. So as you guys can see, it does come in this colorful box. You got the Nike SB done in white, and then you also have Nike SB done in white on this side. Nothing on that side. White writing right here, and then you have more white writing over here. And then turning on to the back, you have what you would typically see on a Nike box. So usually you should see like a price tag right there saying retail price or suggested retail price $100 for this typical shoe. So open this up. I haven't seen these shoes, so we'll both be seeing these at the same time. And so you got your Nike SB paper right there. And bam. So taking these out, this is the left shoe. And these are not bad. I actually didn't try to go for these like at none of my typical skate shops, but I did try to go for these on the sneakers app, and of course I wasn't able to successfully get up here, but the sneakers app gave your boy a second chance of trying to get these, and I ain't gonna lie, I almost wasn't able to get up here because I was trying to Soul Links posted the link, right? And when I tried to click on it, it led me straight to the browser. But when I went to the browser, it wouldn't let me purchase the shoe. So then I had to open up the sneakers app, and your boy was able to get a pair, got him signed up on it. And I know you guys saw it on my Instagram page, so you guys should know that this review is coming out. This is how the insoles look, and then you do have that zoom pattern right there. And SBs have been making a name this year, but all SBs have slowly risen up this year. So I know a lot of people gonna ask, should you hold or sell? It's really up to you. But me personally, I would hold these pairs because I do see in this pair going up, and this is like everybody's been saying, this is like a simple colorway. You have just a simple black and white SB Dunk, and then you have some cream coloring right there. Yeah, this shoe not bad, man. I'm gonna show y'all some B-rolls, of course. Yeah. Then you have the gray outsoles. But yeah, I got y'all with the B-rolls.
Let's go.
Ask a couple of other people what they think about these. What you think about these? Yeah, cop or drop?
Boy,
Cop or drop? Cop or drop?
Man, I'm copping them for sure.
Cop.
Hey, check out my boy YouTube, ZK Sneaks.
What you think, Kalia?
I like them.
You do?
Yeah, I do. I'll cop them.
Cop.
I'll cop them.
And I don't think I mentioned these, but they also come with these white shoestrings, and I can't see like what color aglets the white shoestrings are, but the black ones are, as you can see, this gold. Nothing special. Then on the tongue here, you do have the Medicom logo right there with the ears. I don't think a lot of people know that it's also some ears on right there, which I actually didn't know until I watched Measly G video this morning. So that's another detail that you can see on the shoe, which isn't bad. And then you do see this cow high right there. Actually, in the comments, let me know what you guys' favorite SB dunks are of the year. So far, mine are the Strange Loves. I know a lot of people are the Chunky Dunkies, or of course the Travis Scott SBs. But let me know in the comments below what you guys' favorite SB dunks are. And it's your boy Zay, and I'm out.